Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make drop-down list in Excel super fast. Drop-down lists are very useful because they allow you to select values from a list instead of typing them again and again. This saves time, reduces typing errors, and makes your sheet look professional. Let's get started. First method is basic drop-down list. The most common method to create a drop-down list in Excel is by using data validation. Suppose in column A, I want to enter the names of fruits instead of typing manually every time. I want to choose from a drop-down. First select the cells where you want the drop-down list. Now go to the Data tab on the ribbon. Click on Data Validation. In the dialog box under Allow, choose List. In the source box, type your item separated by commas. For example, apple, banana, mango, orange, grapes. Press OK. Now when you click any cell, you will see a small arrow. Click it and you can choose your fruit directly. That's how easy it is to make a drop-down list in Excel. Now the second method, drop-down list from a range. Typing items inside data validation works, but it's not flexible. A better way is to take your drop-down list from a range of cells. For example, in column D, I have my fruit list written apple, banana, mango, orange, grapes. Now instead of typing them in data validation, I will select column B, go to data validation, list. In the source box, select the range, press OK. Now the drop-down list in column B is connected to the values in column D. If I add pineapple in column D, it will automatically appear in the drop-down list. This method is more dynamic and much faster when you have long list. So that's how you can create drop-down list in Excel super fast. This feature is one of the best ways to control data entry and make your spreadsheets professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.